Feeling stuck? Wondering how to spark new ideas and fall in love with writing all over again? What if the secret isn't writing more, but writing differently? Hi, I'm Andrea from Bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by over 200,000 writers around the world to bring their stories to life. Today, I will share 16 unexpected writing tips that can help you tap into your creativity, beat the writer's block, and, most importantly, enjoy the writing process again. Start where the energy is. Don't feel like writing the opening scene? Then don't. Jump to the part that excites you, maybe the dramatic confrontation or that heartwarming moment you have been imagining for weeks. By writing what you feel passionate about, you keep the momentum alive. With Bibisco's scene management tools, it's easy to reorganize later. Your creativity comes first, the structure can wait. Sound is powerful. It sets the emotional tone. Try creating playlists that match the mood of your scenes. Tense music for thrillers, mellow tones for romantic moments. Even better, build playlists for each character. Listen their music before writing their scenes. You'll be surprised how music can shape emotions and help you write more authentic emotional moments. Yes, out loud. Imagine sitting down with your character as if you are a journalist. Ask them, what's your biggest fear? What keeps you awake at night? These interviews reveal hidden motivation that you might overlook otherwise. Bibisco even includes tools to guide this process, helping you create characters that feel truly real, not just names on a page. Tired of staring at the same wall? Try writing in a park, a museum, or your favorite cafe. Changing your physical surroundings can trigger mental shifts that fuel creativity. Want to write a scene set in a bustling cafe? Go sit in one. Take in the sounds, the smells, the little details, then translate them into words. Let the world around you feed your imagination. Collect images that spark something in you. Mysterious landscapes, faces full of emotion, strange architecture. When words fail, visuals speak. Pick an image and describe it in detail. Then imagine what story might unfold around it. With Bibisco, you can attach images directly to characters, locations, and objects, making visual inspiration part of your writing toolkit. Words on a page might look fine, but do they sound natural? Read them out loud. If you stumble or cringe, chances are your readers will too. Give your characters different voices, tones, and even accents. This helps you make sure each one has a unique way of speaking and keeps your dialogue lively, not stiff. A story is more than just chapters. It's a web of characters, conflicts, and connections. A mind map helps you see this structure clearly. Start with your main idea in the center, then branch out to characters, subplots, settings. Bibisco's visual tools make it easy to spot connections and maybe even discover ones you hadn't planned. Your brain doesn't stop working when you go to bed. In fact, some of the most creative ideas come after you stop thinking actively. Before sleeping, focus on a tricky scene or plot issue. Let it simmer overnight and keep a notebook nearby. You never know what gold your dreams might give you. Distractions are the enemy of progress. Try setting a timer, just 20 minutes. Write without stopping, without editing, without judgment. This Pomodoro style technique builds focus and helps you get words on the page fast. Over time, you can increase the interval and build your creative endurance. Bibisco even helps you track your writing sessions and monitor your progress as you go. Why stick to just one genre? Combine elements from different ones, a romantic subplot in a sci-fi world, or mystery within a fantasy realm. Genre blending adds richness and unpredictability to your story. It challenges you as a writer and keeps your readers guessing. A letter feels personal, it's intimate. Have your character write to someone else or to themselves. Let them spill secrets they would never say out loud. These letters can reveal hidden layers, emotion, and motivation. Even if they never appear in the final draft, they deepen your understanding of who your characters really are. Creativity lives in a healthy body. Long writing sessions can drain your energy. Set a timer and when it goes off, stand up, stretch, take a walk. Moving helps you think. Fresh air clears your mind. Even a few minutes of stretching can re-energize you and might even unlock that next scene. Start with your ending, work backward. What had to happen for your protagonist to get there? This approach helps you build strong, logical cause and effect links. With bibisco's timeline feature, you can plot these backwards scenes and ensure everything aligns beautifully. Try this. Write a scene without using the words be or have. It's not just a challenge, it's a way to force yourself into finding more precise, more original language. Constraints often lead to more creative choices. It's tough, but your writing will become sharper, more expressive and more impactful. Before you write, take 5 minutes of complete silence. No music, no phone. Just sit, think. Let ideas rise to the surface. Silence creates space for deep thoughts and it helps you tune into your story's subtle emotions. Break routine. Write when you wouldn't usually, at 5 a.m. or midnight. The stillness of these off hours can unlock a new kind of focus and flow. Pay attention to how different times of day affect your ideas. You might discover that your best scenes come out when the world is asleep. That's all for today, guys. If these tips sparked something in you, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and as always, happy writing.